so much, everyone. Thank you. I'm so thrilled. I'm so happy to see everyone coming here to celebrate this milestone, Golden Tulip Africa 10th anniversary.
Amazingly, I can see my fellow colleagues here. I can see Anne, who was on off, and she has made it today. I can see also Faith. She was on a maternity leave when she came. I'm so proud for you guys. Thank you so much.
Celebration. Leo hii. Celebration.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm happy and I'm welcoming everyone to join in the celebration.
It's a celebration. Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. A dedication.